Welcome to this overview and review of the 60/60 NADEX 1 hour binary options and spreads strategy. Now, this is a strategy. We're more tuned into the strategic aspect of this. We're also tuned into the larger momentum follow-through aspect of this, in that we're looking to expire a binary option in the money. Yep. Of course, you can go at the money, or you can go somewhat out of the money, or really you can even target a far out of the money binary option, particularly with Forex binaries. And we look to stay within the 1 hour to expiration window of the 2 hour NADEX binary. Okay, so we are looking here for a strategy to really kind of sink our teeth into. That means we're looking for a high percentage winning, high probability strategy that we can trade and not only take an out of the money position into the money, okay, or just simply ride up from an out of the money position up through the at the money sweet spot where your highest deltas are, where you're going to get the most points, and either just cash out or, of course, let it expire. But also what we look to do is add a spreads position. Now, that's optional, but the strategy, in this strategy, we put the strategy on because the momentum follow through is so strong on average that we might as well also put a spreads position, and we look to do this of equal measure. Let's say we're trading one contract of a binary. Well, then we'll look to put on one spreads contract in combination. And so we can look to get the maximization of the binary, but also get the spreads, because in the spread, we're going to get what we achieve in price largely. It's going to depend on how NADEX is pricing if you're going to trade the hour or 2 hour spread. But if you're going to trade the day spread, for example, at least to the point of this time, still the deltas are near 1-to-1. Now, you're going to trade the day spread and you're not entering at an edge. You're going to want to, mind a stop loss concept, because you don't want to enter in the middle of the spread and go the other way. But, if you think about it, these spreads, these high delta spreads can be an easy replacement for an E-mini futures. All right. And then by using these spreads, particularly if you can enter a spread at the limit, at the edge of the spread, so you can get the maximum run with the lowest fixed risk, well, then you can put yourself in a position to not have to worry so much about stop loss concepts, which, binary options traders don't usually want to worry about. But hey, if we're looking to get a bit more aggressive and hit these sweet spots to go run these big moves, then, in my opinion, you may just want to tune in and, pair a spread to a binary, or just trade this. Okay, here's a price chart. Now, for those of you who do not know what a NADEX spread is, it's just basically like a futures contract. You're just riding momentum. You don't have this in the money, out of the money thing. You just ride the momentum, and whatever you achieve, okay, that's what you get at expiration. You don't have to even exit. You just can, let's say you netted 10 points on your spread. Well, you're going to get those 10 points. Let's say you netted 20 pips, okay, on your Forex spread. Well, minus any premium you have or had, excuse me, from your entry, you're just going to get whatever you got of intrinsic value, and so that's great. Okay, you can ride momentum, and you can get the money you earn. You don't have to worry about clearing an in the money point, and that's a great part about spreads. Also with spreads, you can make a lot of cash. All right, a lot of cash, particularly with a strong momentum move. All right, here's some trading view charts. Now, okay, let me clean this up a little bit here. Here's some trading view charts, and you can get a picture here where we're going to target these types of moves that can trigger like this. Okay, like trigger like this type of move. Okay, we want moves that can bam, okay, and ride some momentum with gusto. Okay, and just really take off. And all right, and of course, if you can time your strategic opportunity, which does come pretty frequently, then you can time it with a faster market, okay, in terms of an opening, a USA or European opening, for example, then on the Forex or just the USA indices opening, then you can look to ride not only the binary but the spread. So in short, you want to combine an optimal strategic entry point with an optimal instrument, which you have to pick which one you like. I mean, GBP USD is a good one, for example, or USA index, and you can look at each and see which one lines up better with the strategy in terms of momentum points, okay, or number of points follow through compared with the NADEX pricing. NADEX will change its pricing from time to time to match the markets, what's going on in the marketplace. But the average NADEX pricing is usually pretty good, and you can combine the strategic setup with NADEX pricing for a very large return. Okay, and this is a strategy that means that you can pick and choose. You don't have to run it systematically. You can wait for your optimized sweet spot and hit that 1, 2, 3 times a day, for example, and potentially make a lot of dough. Okay, and this is a type of strategy, 60-60. Okay, I like this logo. This is a type of strategy that, as I said before, allows you to be a bit more aggressive, and that's fun for certain personality types. You can hone in, like the hunter trading approach. You can stalk your prey and pounce for the strike, for the big, juicy, let's use the word strike. And that's a strategic trader mentality. Okay, now I don't mean to sound scary or anything. It's just part of trading. And you're anticipating your opportunity. Okay, you're watching it. You're like a tiger or stalking its prey. And for you vegans out there, you just got to find another example, a vegetarian. So, and then you're not getting distracted. You're not getting emotional about it. Okay, you have to eat. And so here you have to eat. You have to score your profitable trade, and you just you anticipate it. And the great thing about this strategy is it gives you clarity for anticipation. Okay, you're gonna know pretty well when your opportunity is arising. When you spot that prey, okay, you find your opportunity. Your prey just walked into your zone, okay, and then you can just watch, okay, prepare yourself and be ready to strike. That means be ready to enter your position in a timely way, because you can have a strategic opportunity, a huge one, appear and then quickly disappear if you're not anticipating your entry. Okay, if you're not ready to pounce, right? I'm sure if you've had any trading experience, you know what I'm talking about. it's very easy to miss a huge opportunity. That's why when you have a strategy like this, it's great because it brings clarity, it brings huge opportunity, and it allows you to anticipate and allows you to pounce hard with confidence. And as you study this strategy over time, you're going to gain confidence in it. And this strategy may be all you need to do technically. It just depends on how you want to trade. Okay, it's a very good strategy. And as you saw there, we are in day trading mode with 1 minute bars, and we are targeting the 1 hour binary. Now, a lot of people want to go faster and faster, but that may not be the smartest thing. And even to date, the 1 hour binary and the 1 hour, well, I would say the 1 hour binary and actually the day spread offers some of the best opportunity at NADEX, but NADEX can shift up their pricing as they need to, and also something new may come up that offers new opportunity. But anyways, you want to have some bread and butter before jumping around on all these different opportunities. So I would definitely suggest that you master this strategy, not only for your NADEX trading, but your regular futures, E-mini trading, your Forex trading, if you're doing that, or your currency futures, etc., and or your stock day trading, okay, or even vanilla options day trading. All right, so that's about it for this overview and review of what this 60/60 NADEX 1 hour binary options and spreads strategy is all about. If you want more information, you can click the link below, or you can contact us, or if you're ready to get started, just hit that add to cart button and we'll get rolling. Okay, get rolling teaching you this strategy and arming you with a powerful weapon for potentially trading for a very good living. Alrighty, thanks.